Good day all my dear student. As all of you know, our introduction of E sound word already done. Now today we are going to write the E sound word in our notebook. Okay. First I am going to show you in my blackboard. So be ready with your pencil and 4-line notebook. So let's start. So first our work is we have to mention the date. Okay student. So hold your pencil. Write down in that pink color box C dot W. Once again C dot W. Okay. Now put the sleeping line. Mention here date, here month and here year, that is 2020. Okay student, understand? Now on the first line we are going to write our heading. Okay, so start with your teacher. Small e, then little bit space, S O U, write with your teacher beta, U N D, sound, little bit again space, W O R D S, words. Okay my dear student, on the very first line E sound word, this is our heading. Now on one side we are going to draw the picture and another side we are going to write its spelling. Okay, so let's start how to draw the picture of E sound word. So our first picture is the picture of net. The picture of net. Picture should not go out of the 4-line. So draw one slanting line, oval shape, like this. Done. Then put lines like this in the middle. Okay student, this is the picture of net. Which picture it is? The picture of net. In front of that picture we are going to write its spelling. So what is the spelling of net? N-E-T, net. So little bit space, write down in between 2 line N, in between 2 line E, start from pink line to blue line T. Repeat N-E-T, net. Okay student. Now the next picture, that picture we are going to draw here, the picture of pen. Okay. Draw 2 lines like this. Join from here. From here, then draw one sleeping line and do like this. Okay student, everybody's parent having the pen and most of the bigger students are also using the pen for writing. You are using pencil. So what is the spelling of pen? P-E-N, pen. So let's write from pink line to blue line P. In between 2 line E and in between 2 line N. P-E-N, pen. These 2 pictures done. Very good. Now you have to tell me which number I am going to write here. Tell me beta which number it is. Very good. This is number 10. This is number 10. So what is the spelling of 10? T-E-N 10. Okay. So let's write the spelling of 10. T E in between two line and also in between two line. Understand student? What is the spelling of 10? T-E-N 10. Now the turn of last picture, that is the picture of leg. Everybody having two leg? Very good. With the leg what you are doing? You are walking, jumping. So let's draw the picture of leg. Draw one standing line, one small standing line, go like this, draw here fingers and join here. Understand? This is the picture of leg. In your fusion, the leg picture is little bit difficult. Okay, it's little bit hard for you. So that's why we make the picture easier for you to draw. So let's write the spelling of leg. L-E-G, leg. L, E in between two line. And G start from blue line to pink line. L-E-G, leg. Understand student? What we wrote today? We drawn the picture, 4 pictures here and we wrote the spelling of that picture here. Now I am going to show you in your notebook. Now it's turn to write in our notebook. So those who are not done with me, let's write with teacher once again. Here on this box write down 3.W. Okay. Here date, year month, year 2020. Okay student. Now on a very first line of your notebook, mention the heading. E S O U N D, sound. Little bit space, W in between two line, O R D S. Okay, E sound word. Look here student, my alphabets are properly on the proper line. Okay, so your alphabet should not go out of the line. So skip this next line, draw from the first line, that is the picture of net. Draw one slanting line, then one oval like this. Draw the line in the middle and like this. And here the spelling of net. What is the spelling of net? N-E-T, net. Okay student. Afterward the next picture, that is the picture of pen. Again and again I am repeating, your picture should not go on the next line. If it will go in the next line, you have to skip the line. Okay, like this. What is the spelling of pen? P-E-N, pen. While writing, you read the spelling. Next one, number 10. So what is the spelling of 10? T-E-N N, 10. And the last one, that is the picture of leg. Draw one standing line, one standing little bit small standing line, go like this and draw the fingers and join from here. Okay, L, E, G, L, E, G, leg. In this way, my dear student, you have to write the 4 words and their pictures. Okay, good day.